Hello everybody, Roger here from premiergt, and I wanted to take a moment to talk you through our 2011 Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport. The Grand Sport, of course being the convertible variant of the Veyron, was already a very rare car. 58 examples worldwide, this being chassis number 33. And this particular car does have a very unique backstory, as it was owned by Bugatti for the first 3 years of its life and used as their display car. Being their display car, as you'd expect, Bugatti have expertly curated the specification to best show off their halo product. The exterior is finished in a monotone blue-black metallic with a burnt orange leather interior to pair beautifully. I think it's very important to mention as well that this car does feature some unique upgrades which set it apart from any other Grand Sport in the world. You see, during their ownership, Bugatti actually upgraded this car to give it Grand Sport Vitesse suspension as well as a Grand Sport Vitesse exhaust system, which really opens up the sound of that mighty W16. It also features these clear rear tail lights as well as these lovely polished aluminium strips which run up from the rear of the car along the buttresses. This example benefits from an incredibly comprehensive Bugatti service history, having recently just been serviced. Its next lucky custodian will also benefit from a remaining free service as part of the car's Bugatti service plan, which also includes a set of new tyres. In terms of condition, the car presents immaculately, as you'd expect, and is protected by full-body PPF coverage. This car comes supplied with all of its original factory accessories to include its handbook, spare key, speed key, hard top stand, soft roof with its bag, battery conditioner, the PDA, its fitted car cover, and of course its first aid kit. I do hope you enjoyed this very brief tour of our Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport, and of course if you have any further questions then do feel free to call in to the showroom. Thanks very much.